Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, we will see how you can book Heli Yatra with IRCTC. So for this, you need to come to this website. It is called heliyatra.irctc.co.in. So once you come to this website, you can see IRCTC Heli Yatra. So you will see this banner also saying only IRCTC Heli Yatra website provides online helicopter ticket booking for Sri Kedarnath Dham and Sri Hemkund Sahib. So if you are trying to book a ticket for helicopter, then you can come to this website. So you see Hemkund Sahib and Kedarnath Dham. So helicopter ticket booking are now closed for season for 2024. For season 2025, you'll have to keep visiting the website for the latest update. So this was for 2024. For 2025, it is yet to open. So you see this important message. Chardam and Sri Hemkund Sahib Yatra registration is mandatory for booking helicopter services. So what does it mean? So it means that in order for you to book the helicopter from this website, you should go there and book the registration for Chardam. So Chardam registration you have to do. Unless you have that Chardam registration, you won't be able to proceed with the flight booking, that is the helicopter booking. Okay, so if you go here and put this here, you can get this. Or what you can do is that you can put GMBN online. So there in the top you will see the link for Chardam registration. So this is the Chardam registration. So you see this registration and touristcare.uk.gov.in. So this is where you have to go and book for Chardam Yatra. So before you book the helicopter, you need to have that Yatra registration. So if it is Chardam for Sri Hemkund Sahib, then you can come here and book the Chardam Yatra here. You can book it using WhatsApp also, using web portal also. So if you have any queries around that, they have one video also mentioned there where they detail step-by-step information on how to book it there. So you just have to go to their website, put in the OTP information. After you provide the mobile, so this is the mobile number you have to provide along with the name. Then you'll have to select whether it is an Indian pilgrim or foreign pilgrim. So if it is tour operator, you can select tour operator, otherwise individual or family. Then you have to choose a password, confirm the password, then you can log in. So once you log in, then you can enter the information like the day that you are planning to visit and which dam you want to visit, whether it's Hemkund Dam or whether it is Kedarnath, Badrinath, right? So for this Hemkund and Kedarnath, you can put those information here. Then after you fill the entire form with all the details, then you will get at the end the registration PDF. So here you will get that registration PDF. So there will be a number, unique number to identify each registration. So that might be required in the helicopter booking. So for you to book the helicopter, you need that registration. And I showed you how you can get that registration. So here it shows how the helicopter booking works. So you complete your Chardam, Sri Kedarnath Dham or Sri Hemkund Sahib registration on this website. So see the registration website is also mentioned here. Okay. Then you create Heli Yatra account to check seat availability using registration number that is obtained from the other website. You can get the registration number from this website after you register there or using your group ID. Then you come here and create a Heli account here and you choose a desired departure slot and complete your booking with the online payment mode of your choice. You carry the IRCTC Heli Yatra ticket to designated helipad location and start your Sri Kedarnath Dham or Sri Hemkund Sahib Dham. Okay, so that is how you do it. You come here and you can book the ticket from here. So now it is not open, that's why you don't see it here. So there are general instructions for the passengers. Chardham and Sri Hemkund Sahib Yatra registration Uttarakhand government portal is mandatory. For sign up or create account, validate your email ID and mobile number through Heli या IRCTC. User ID, Booker ID will be your registered mobile number. You can then log in using Heli Yatra IRCTC for booking online for helicopter ticket. So this is how you log in. You come here and log in. If you don't have an account, you can create an account here. That's what you do there. Then enter the group ID to book tickets for multiple pilgrims or enter unique registration if it is for a single person. Maximum 2 helicopter tickets can be booked per user ID with a maximum 6 passengers per ticket. Maximum 2 helicopter tickets can be booked per user or booker ID with a maximum 6 passengers per ticket. An user can book for a group of maximum of 12 passengers on 2 tickets with a single user ID or booker ID. For booking tickets for a group with more than 12 passengers, the user booker will be required to sign up with another user ID on heliatra.in. Then if already available, create another user ID for booking tickets for a group with more than 12 passengers. So this is valid only for more than 12 passengers. So that may not be applicable to you, most of you. Helicopter ticket bookings are permitted for any available calendar date. Passengers can select an available calendar date to book a helicopter ticket. So now the question comes, what is a fare? So from Guptkashi to Sri Kedarnath, there are different operators. Aryan Aviation, Trans-Bharat Aviation, they charge 8,126. This is the round trip fare. So Phata to Sri Kedarnath, Pawan Hands, Tumbi Aviation, Global Vector Helicopter, Trans-Bharat Aviation, they all charge 5,774. Sersi to Sri Kedarnath, there is Himalayan Heli Services, Kestrel Aviation, Aero Aircraft, they charge 5,772. Govindaghat, Gangaria, Pawan Hands, they charge 5,560. Okay, so these are convenience fee and PG charges are payable extra from this. Dynamic pricing on helicopter ticket is applicable as per the policy of UCADA, is what they have mentioned. So as per the demand and price might fluctuate later on. So apart from this, you can see the photos here. These are the photos. This honorable, you can see various Kedarnath Dam and Hemkund Sahib Dam here. Now, if you look into the FAQs, you can see various questions, but I would have covered most of that. So what are the helipad stations? So these are the helipad stations that is there. Then another question that you see is there, what are the payment mode option? You can book with credit card, debit card, net banking. IRCTC has also that EMI pay later functionality. So what are the cancellation charges? So this is the cancellation charges along with the time. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.